we're gonna talk about my favorite way to grill chicken with a simple marinade and the very classic Alabama white sauce. So my favorite chicken to put on the grill is always gonna be the chicken thigh. It's dark meat, has the bone, incredible moisture, and I like to just do very little to it. This has been sitting overnight, so all these flavors can really permeate, and it's gonna have a great color from the paprika, from all these seasonings in there. A question I get a lot is, why is my chicken always charred on the outside and underdone on the inside? Well, the answer to that is your temperature. I like to cook all chicken, especially these thighs, between 350 and 400 degrees, about a medium-high heat. 8 to 10 minutes on each side. That's gonna allow this chicken here to have beautiful charred grill marks on either side, and that interior of the chicken to get super succulent, tender, and juicy. Oh yeah, you see you've got this really beautiful caramelization starting on the skin. That's only gonna continue once we flip and close the lid back. Another question I get a lot is, why chicken that's barbecued or grilled has the bone in it? Well, simple answer to that is flavor. The bone provides so much flavor as the chicken cooks. It emits all the great flavors from the marrow. The bone's also gonna keep all the meat that's surrounding it, that is attached to it, super moist, and you're really kind of guaranteed to have a superior grilled chicken. Chicken is smelling great. It's just hanging out here, resting, which is very important. So we've gotten a question on BBQ&A. What's the big deal about the Alabama white sauce? It was born about 90 years ago from Big Bob Gibson, who has a place in Decatur, Alabama, where he's decided that chicken especially needed a little different element. And you want it to be not super thick, like more of like a red sauce. And maybe just a touch of the water, again, so it's nice and thin. It smells great, looks great. We've got some very classic barbecue flavors here in the rub, in the legendary Alabama white sauce. This is no frills here, guys. Check out BBQ&A. Like, share, comment. If you're watching on YouTube, please click the bell. It's amazing. Perfect.